Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down how to create an AI-powered digital product for business success. We're diving into 10 crucial steps, so let's get started. First up, identify a business problem. Research market gaps where AI can provide value. Look for inefficiencies in industries like finance, healthcare, or e-commerce. Think AI chatbots, predictive analytics tools, or AI-powered financial assistance. Next, define your AI product. Who's your target audience? Are they businesses, individuals, or developers? What core functionality will your AI offer? Will it automate tasks, generate insights, or recommend actions? Your unique selling point is key. Why will users choose your product over competitors? Step 3. Choose the right AI model. Machine learning for predictive analytics, natural language processing for chatbots and text analysis, or computer vision for image-based applications. Tools like OpenAI's GPT for text-based AI, TensorFlow, and PyTorch for ML models, or IBM Watson, Google AI, and AWS AI for cloud solutions are your go-tos. Step 4. Gather and process data. Collect high-quality, relevant data from sources like Kaggle, Google Dataset Search, or industry-specific databases. Clean, pre-process, and structure the data properly. For example, if you're building an AI financial advisor, gather transaction data, investment trends, and market data. Moving on to step 5, develop the AI model. Choose a development environment like Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab. Train the model using machine learning techniques. Utilize Python libraries like scikit-learn for basic ML tasks, TensorFlow or PyTorch for deep learning, and NLTK or Spacey for NLP-based AI. Test and validate to ensure your AI model performs well with real-world data. Step 6. Build the AI product. Develop a front-end interface for web, mobile, or API. Set up the back-end to process AI tasks using Django, Flask, or Node.js. Integrate AI models via APIs or embed the ML model directly. For instance, if you're creating an AI chatbot, integrate it with a messaging app like WhatsApp, Slack, or a custom website. Step 7. Deploy the AI product. Choose between cloud-based solutions like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, or opt for on-premise deployment if dealing with sensitive data. Create APIs for integration using Flask or Fast API, and monitor performance with tools like Weights and Biases or MLflow. Next up, monetize the AI product. Use a subscription model, charge for a one-time purchase, offer a freemium model, or opt for API-based pricing. Example, an AI-powered financial forecasting tool for small businesses with a $30/month subscription. Step 9. Market and scale. Launch an MVP to test with real users. Promote through digital marketing channels like SEO, YouTube, LinkedIn, and paid ads. Gather user feedback and improve based on customer needs. Expand features and scale to new markets. Finally, continuous improvement. Regularly update the AI model with new data. Stay updated on AI trends and advancements, and optimize for better performance and cost efficiency. And for a bonus, here are some AI digital product ideas: an AI-powered financial assistant for budgeting, an AI-driven resume and job application optimizer, an AI chatbot for automated customer service, an AI-based personal fitness or health coach, or an AI-powered video editing tool. That's it for today's guide on building an AI-powered digital product for business success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this helpful. Catch you in the next video.